2013 Ford Focus radio replacement. First, let's remove the accessories at the bottom of the original button panel. Then we use tools to screw off the screws in it. Then remove the original car button panel and unplug the back. Here we loosen the screws that secure the host and remove the wires from the host. Next, we will connect the supporting wire of the new product to the original car wire according to the size of the plug. Let's pass the USB and GPS cables through the storage box and tidy them up. Next, we insert the wire into the back of the new product according to the size of the hole. Now, we just need to install the new product. Let's test the function of the new screen. It supports map navigation. It supports the reversing camera, and the picture is very high definition. Thank you for watching. Welcome to shop.